cosmos, universe. I just gonna say universe. I just gonna call universe as a cosmos because it sounds more cool. So yeah, cosmos. The first questions, the popular questions about cosmos, about universe, is how do the universe exist? How the universe born? The scientists may already found the way, already found the answer of how the universe born, and other religions also have their answers on how the universe born. The scientists say it was born by some of the matter on the universe. It's like, they just say, from a empty space, of nothingness. But in the reality of the science, an empty space without nothing, without gravity, without space and time, basically nothingness, wasn't really nothingness. Nothingness space still have something, still have like wave or something or energy or stuff like that. I don't yet really understand them because I don't deep learn about the physics since I'm still a high schooler. So basically, at one time there was like, just say, it's not a star, but basically, let's just say universe born in a big bang, of like star maybe, stuff like that, a big bang of like star, and then it expand. It's not only expand the matter from the star, that maybe it's not a star, I don't really know that much about Big Bang, but basically it spreads, it expands the space and time as well. And that's it. And there was another answer from religions. Some religions say it was from their God. God comes to the universe and just created. He just basically made the universe out of his power, and boom, we exist by steps of the creation of the universe, or maybe just the world. They say on a Christian, Jesus made the stars on the first day, and then blah blah blah. Then this stage, he make the stars, he make the what else? I just only know like he make the stars, and then he make the other stuff basically, and not a Christian as well. So yeah, I'm probably doesn't really know stuffs from my religion as well, because I'm a Buddhist. I can say I'm a Buddhist, but I don't really know shits more about a Buddhism theory of like how the universe start and else. I don't really know that because I don't really have an education of Buddhism since young age. Maybe I have, but you're not gonna remember them all again. So basically, the science, the culture, of this modern era, the breakthrough of science, of knowledge on humanity at this modern time have Big Bang theory, while the the past knowledge have their own answer as well. But for me, I just wanna be more related to the modern idea of Big Bang, or about how a one matter, the matters of the universe concentrate. This is my opinion. Now this is my opinion, my idea, my opinion basically about that. The universe is like, they said, universe, the space of nothingness is does still have something. Nothingness space still have something in them. That means the universe doesn't come from nothingness. Let's just say the nothingness is absolute zero. If universe born with a Big Bang, that means something existed out of zero. That means one comes out from zero. And that doesn't make sense at all, because if one comes out of zero, that means one is equal to zero. What one equals to zero means, that means everything is nothing. But it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense, but it does make sense as well. Maybe if the universe really did start from nothing, if one comes out of nothing, that means one is only an illusion, because they are just a zero after all. Even though they are one, they look like one, but they are equals to zero. That means everything, this wall, this board, me, you, and this phone that I'm using to record this video is absolute nothing. So yeah, or maybe and there are second way to, there are second opinion, there are second idea other than everything is nothing. The second idea is maybe from the space, from the nothingness, the one just spawn other nothingness, other space of nothingness, and the one is our universe. The Big Bang start from a concentrated, full matter concentrated into one, like star, a sphere. And then because it was concentrated, it's very, very concentrated, it explodes. It explodes and expands to every direction. And because the matter that explodes is come from a single matter, I'm gonna call it singularity matter. It's like a sphere, atoms that doesn't, let's just say a sphere made of out of the same exactly matters. The sphere doesn't make from other atoms. The sphere doesn't make of the other, like chemicals or stuff. The sphere matters is its own matters, and it's only one. And because it's explode, it go everywhere. It expands. It fly to every direction. Then- And because it's fly, it expands. Like this same. This, oh my god, I forgot this word. Just say this is the singularity, and then they explode. So from the singularity, which is, we just say, when I say the singularity is one, it explode, it break, it destroys, it just basically destroy and dismantle, and it's gonna be growing. It's gonna go to every side, leaving the center point, and all of them, they just say is 0.1. The 0.1 comes out of from the 1, and all of the 0.1 gonna be dismantled more, gonna be decreased until it's gonna be decreased into 0.0.01, and then from 0.01 it's gonna be 0.001, and it's gonna be more further and further and further. It's gonna be far, and they gonna experience all of these matters that was running to every direction, their own direction. They're gonna experience a unique experience by themselves. They're gonna have like, let's just say these matters will evolve from a single matter, because they explode. Because they explode, there will be a reactions, and because they expand so fast, they doesn't make like this part doesn't make the sort, this part and this part, the top and bottom will be far. The top will be a different matter, and the bottom will be a different matter. What I say is, because this 0.1 gonna be hydrogen, and this bottom 0.1 is, let's just say, oxygen, but they come from the 1. Okay, basically all of them will evolve. They will evolve, like evolution, evolve into a different form, because the reaction of, because the explosion giving a reaction to them, and they're gonna evolve, they're gonna react, they're gonna be chemicals, and then the universe born. Blah blah blah. Here come us. We are part of the 1, but since we already being far from the center 1 explosion, we are not get again a collective. We're not centered into one sphere again. We are not 1. We are 0.000000001 of the 1, which is the universe. So what I mean is, everything is same. I'm same with you. I'm same with my phone. I'm same with this pedal. Wait, no. I'm same with this marker. This board is made of something, and that something is same with what I'm made of. Let's just say this, like, we are all made of atoms. So we all are same. We come from the same shit. We come from a single singularity. That means me and you, we, these things, are cut shits. A piece of shit is same with us. Nothing really worth more because we all of us, all of the things is same. And the culture or perspective is only an illusion. We're just making the illusion because we are evolving from the reactions of expulsion. Yeah, I don't know that I can understand my own words, but I hope you know catch it. So the first idea is because the science say that the universe, the nothingness, I mean the nothingness space doesn't really mean it only nothing, there nothing happens in that space, in that, yes I say space, yeah. There was still something happen on that space of nothingness. So that means this universe is really just nothing. The universe is like one, you say is 1 equals to 0, then everything is nothing. And the second is 1, or maybe 1 plus -1 equals to 0. The universe idea of 1 plus -1 is 0 means the universe is an illusion of nothing. The universe is only nothingness want to be something. Let's just say the positive one is the positive matter and the negative one is the antimatter. You obviously have ever heard of them, matters and antimatters. Just say matters and gravity. Gravity is the opposite of matters. So just say with gravity and mass and gravity, mass plus gravity means equals to 0. So everything is 0, everything is nothing. Yeah. This is our first perspective, first idea. And the second is singularity. Singularity idea means we are really, our universe may not be just exist by 0. It maybe the singularity was given from a higher dimensions to our dimensions. Basically, our universe was a gift. Our universe was created by God. Let's just say by God, because nothing comes out of something. But wait, I mean something never comes out from nothing. If something comes out of nothing, that means this something is nothing as well. So yeah, that's it. Basically, by this two idea of universe, just have two ways. It just give the same wave to see the life, because if we are all maybe apart, if we all just come from the same, we all are the same, or maybe we all are nothing. Both of them just share an idea that nothing really matters. Nothing really matters. And all of this just illusion. Or our culture make an illusion. What you can do is deny the illusion or just make your own illusion. Because you, we, me and you only a wave of a really, really, really big ocean. That's it for this.